Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to refill your Zippo. So let's begin. The first step you have to do is open your Zippo, take it from the case, and plug this up, turn it around like this. So if the fluid leaks, it will leak in the case and will not make a disaster. So you open the bottom part where it says lift to open, grab your liquid, and you got to put fluid for 5 seconds and then stop for a while, and then refill it again another 5 seconds. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. Let's wait a little while so the fluid can get to. So we do it again, another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You stop, close it, put the liquid down, wait a little while so it goes down. Take it up, you flip it, and you insert it in your case. You put down the security, and there you have it. You got your fluid liquid. So